What's up, everyone? Thanks for joining me on Patch Rich Entertainment Purposes Only. I just wanted to let you guys know. So I currently am full-time crypto, and I get a lot of questions. Why did you quit your job, and how did you become a full-time crypto investor? With the market being so sketchy, so volatile, right? It's definitely a scary time in crypto, even though we had huge gains last year. And I want to kind of walk you through how I built up my passive income to 100% replace my full-time income with my job. So obviously do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, consultant. This is for entertainment purposes only. Do your own research. This is what I did personally to get where I'm at and replace my income. And this worked specifically for me. So what I did was I didn't want to just invest in a couple random coins and hope they took off, right? I definitely didn't want to do that. I wanted to create passive income. So whether coins go up and down in value doesn't really affect me too much because I'm gaining on my position. So I'm gaining more coins every single day by staking, by putting my coins and money into mining farms. And I do have a lot of coins that I'm invested in that kind of sit on the sidelines and I'm waiting for them to explode, right? I do have those, but I also have a lot of my money earning money 24/7. So let's just say I'm going to use Shiba Swap and Atomic Wallet with Zilliqa just for an explanation and to kind of show you. I'm in these a little bit, but these aren't my main ones. Crypto.com has a lot of mining opportunities where you can get 184% APR on your money. And I just can't pull up Crypto.com on my laptop, obviously. So let's dive into Shiba Swap first. So Shiba Swap, this one right here, let's see. When you go to Woof, so you can farm Bone and Wrapped ETH, which is Ethereum, right? So these rewards, I believe with Shiba Swap, pay out weekly. So what I would do is, I really don't care what coins I'm getting, to be honest with you, as long as I can swap them out for Ethereum, Bitcoin, the blue chip coins. If I can't swap those coins out, I don't even mess with the project because I don't want to get held with a crappy coin that I can't trade, that'll just get tanked. So as long as I can trade whatever coin I'm getting for an Ethereum, Bitcoin, Shiba, whatever, I'm good. I'm going to stake it. I'm going to look for the highest APR I can possibly get. And now, so say 84%, 84.19% APR with this Bone and ETH. And with this one, I believe you get Bone for rewards, which is in the Shiba Inu ecosystem. So to me, that's totally fine. And again, I don't care that I'm getting Bone rewards because I know I can swap Bone rewards for Ethereum. And for my passive income, I want to make sure I get Ethereum because then I can send my Ethereum over to crypto.com, sell it, and then pull that money out, right? So at first, when I first started doing this, I had my full-time job. I didn't want to leave until I was fully replacing my income on a monthly basis consistently. So what I would do is every week I would get my rewards and I would restake them on top of what I have here. So say I had $1,000 staked in this Bone ETH farming system. And so let's just say I got $100 every 4 days in rewards. I would then take that $100 worth of Bone and restake it on top of here. So now that I have 1,100. And then that 1,100 now my rewards, I'm getting maybe 110. So then I would take that 110 4 days later, put it back on here. Now I'm getting 120, 1,120, 1,130, 1,150. I would take those rewards again, stack them on top. So I would always keep getting my rewards and just stacking them on top. So my monthly reward would be bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay. So finally, when I get it up to, that I'm getting $10,000 or $15,000 a month, now I can start pulling that out. And if Bone goes down or if Ethereum goes down, that's okay, because I still have all that Bone and Ethereum in there, a huge bag of it now. If it goes down a little bit, that's okay, because I'm not taking all of my original amount of Ethereum and Bone out. I'm just taking the profits. So whether I'm getting 15,000, 14, 10,000 a month, that's fine with me, because I more than made up for my monthly income. So let's just say I made $8,000 a month. I wouldn't leave my job unless I was making $15,000 a month, right? So then I would take my $8,000 a month that matches my monthly income I was getting, and whatever the difference is, say you made $10,000 that month in rewards, I would take that difference of $2,000, stack it up on top again, and keep building my monthly income rewards that I get back. And that's not, so you're really not digging into your actual position that you have. If anything, you're gaining position bigger and bigger and bigger. So if Bone does finally explode, I can take it out of the farming system and I can sell it for a huge profit. So the same thing, Zilliqa had a pretty good one. I know it's only 15%. So I really look for things that are over 100% APR. Crypto.com's DeFi wallet has a bunch of those in there. I want between 100 and 200% APR. That's what I'm looking for. And so just for an example, if you had $3,000 in Zilliqa, your daily profit, and Zilliqa paid out daily on Atomic Wallet. So every day you'd get 16, 16, 16, 16, right? So every couple days, because there's transaction fees, right? So every 4 days, I would just stack whatever my profit is back on top. So eventually, so if you look right here, 39,771. So say I kept compounding and putting my Zilliqa back on top. Say I ended up with $5,000 or $2,000 worth of Zilliqa. So now my USD value is 5,000. So watch what happens to this, 16. So if I put 5,000 down there, then it's now 27. So now I'm getting like 11 more every day. So then I would wait a couple days, and then I would keep stacking and stacking. So this number keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I kept my job while I'm building my passive income. I'm not taking any distributions. I'm not cashing any of this in. I'm just throwing it back on top. So this amount keeps getting bigger. Therefore, this amount right here keeps getting bigger. So eventually you'll get this thing up to like $25,000 worth, right? And then you're getting 136 Zilliqas a day. Now I know Zilliqa is not really that expensive right now. It's at like 6 cents, 7 cents. But this token in the next couple of years, a lot of people are saying it's supposed to be $1, right? Whatever. But I just go based on what the number is now. So if it's 6 cents, I go off the 6 cents and try and make my numbers work with it at 6 cents. I'm not a moon boy and saying, well, it's going to be worth $1, so I'm going to be a millionaire tomorrow. I don't do that kind of crap, right? That doesn't pay the bills, being a moon boy. So eventually, yeah, so keep doing this, right? And then just adding on top, and eventually over time, you'll have 100,000, 150,000 over time, right? You just got to keep compiling. And this is not adding any additional money from your personal accounts. This is simply adding rewards back on top of what you're already staking. So you're not going to your bank account and depositing money every week. You're literally using free rewards and just putting them back on top of your staked balance to create even more rewards. That's what you're doing. That's what I did. Not financial advice. Do your own research. look for staking pools, in my opinion, that are over 100% APR. And then if they pay out daily or every 2 days, 3 days, withdraw them, put them back on top. And now your staking numbers that are coming to you are going to be higher and higher and higher. I hope this made sense. Do your own research. If you haven't liked my channel or subscribed, hit this like button, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys next time.